Our third method is called the midpoint method, and this also this is also called a Riemann sum, and this is a midpoint Riemann sum. So, the midpoint method for estimating the area also involves slicing the indicated area into rectangles, but rather than use the left end or the right end, we are going to use the midpoint of the rectangle. This method should be no harder, no easier than the other methods. It's just a little messier. So, in that sense, we have our rectangles 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, and 6 to 8. The base of each of them is again 2. So you can again take 2 times the rest of the heights. Now we are going to use the height, the midpoint height. It looks like that. Here your midpoint is at 3. Here your midpoint is at 5. And here your midpoint is at 7. So there are our heights. So that first height is f of 1. The second height, f of 3. The third height, f of 5. And the fourth height, f of 7. Now I know it's not on here, but remember that our original f of x is the square root of 64 minus x squared. So, figuring these values out, we have 2 times the square root of 63 plus the square root of 55 plus the square root of 39, and then f of 7 is the square root of 15. That gives us 50.943. This was our midpoint. And if you recall from the first two, our left endpoint was 55.931. That's our left endpoint. Our right endpoint was 39.931. So you see the midpoint falls right in between there, as it should. Okay.